let's talk about something that could change the way you earn money. No, I'm not talking about a new side hustle or some scheme to quickly get rich. I'm talking about Canva AI and how it's revolutionizing the world of online income. Whether you're a designer, a small business owner, or someone just looking to make a bit of extra cash, Canva AI has made it easier than ever to generate money from the comfort of your own home. But you're probably asking, too good to be true? Or does this work? If that's what is going through your mind, well, let me tell you that you are certainly not alone. In fact, this idea of AI tools making one money seems somewhat futuristic. But trust me when I say this. The future has arrived. It certainly has arrived right now with Canva AI. Let's break this down. Canva's AI is not just another tool. It's the gateway to a whole new world of creativity, productivity, and money-making potential. This is not about offering generic services like everyone else. No, we're talking about using AI in ways that are truly innovative, fun, and profitable. And the best part? You don't need a ton of experience to get started. What is Canva AI? Now, I know some of you might ask, what exactly is Canva AI? Well, let's clear this up first. Canva, one of the renowned design platforms, has scaled up its game through the introduction of artificial intelligence tools. These are machine learning that can generate amazing designs, suggest edits, automate repeated tasks, and even help out with content creation. Canva AI is more than just a set of templates. It's like having a creative assistant who works 24/7 for you with no need for coffee breaks. And best of all, you don't need a degree in design or coding to use it. This is a simple and user-friendly interface. It's absolutely accessible to anyone with an internet connection. However, that's where it really gets exciting. Canva AI isn't just about designing for you. It's a tool that can help you offer useful services to others. And that's where the money starts rolling in. How you can make money using Canva AI, okay? So now we're getting to the good stuff. You're probably wondering how you can actually make money using this tool. Well, hold on to your hats because it's easier than you think. Create and sell custom designs. Start with something that's been a part of the design world for ages, like selling custom designs. It has made this task so much simpler with Canva AI. Designing social media posts, logos, flyers, or even presentations is so easy and can produce professional-grade designs in a fraction of the time it would take to do so manually. The real surprise? You can sell these designs online through Etsy, Creative Market, or even on your own website. I know, you're thinking, but everyone is selling designs online and the competition is fierce. True, the competition is there, but here's the secret. Canva AI gives you an edge. You can use it to create high-quality, unique designs that cater to niche markets, meaning less competition and more sales potential. And trust me, it's a game changer. Social media content creation. Social media is a beast. And for businesses, staying consistent on social platforms can feel like a never-ending task. But guess what? Canva AI can create an endless stream of social media posts, stories, and ads with minimal input from you. That means if you're someone who's always been intrigued by the idea of offering social media management services, now's your chance to jump in. But here's the kicker. Canva AI lets you personalize content quickly and on a massive scale. If you're managing accounts for a client, you can generate different post designs in seconds. And if you're wondering, but what about the captions? Don't worry, Canva AI can help you with that too. Generating catchy social media posts, saving you tons of time. But it's not just about creating appealing posts. It's a comprehensive content creation program. Ebook and digital product creation. This one is a hit when trying to get into the business of passive income. You can do ebooks, printables, planners, and many other digital products by using Canva AI, sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, or your website. And here's the twist. These products don't have to be complicated. The more simple they are, the better they get. This AI can help with everything from format to layout and ensure that the ebook looks absolutely professional. For instance, you decided to create a dot-to-dot book using Canva AI. First, you will go to the AI image generator on Canva, which is available as the magic media option as you scroll down. Write what you want to be generated. Once it is generated, select the style of that picture. The next step, customize it to your preference and create a cover page. If you are thinking the cover page would be difficult to create, Canva templates can help you with the task. Finally, when you are done, customize the size of the image according to the platform you are selling to. Boom! A highly professional ebook just by using Canva AI features. The best part? You can create multiple products with very little effort, giving you a consistent stream of passive income. Offer Canva AI design services. Maybe you have always wanted to offer design services, but were intimidated by the technical skills needed. Well, with Canva AI, you do not need to be a graphic designer to make money. You can start offering services such as creating social media content, designing marketing materials, or even helping clients with their branding. The beauty of Canva AI is that it allows you to create high-quality, professional designs, even if you're not a design expert. So you can sell your services on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or even pitch directly to businesses who could use your expertise. The demand for affordable design services is growing, and with Canva AI in your toolkit, you're in a prime position to tap into that market. You can also create print-on-demand products, creating designs for any type of item, whether t-shirts, mugs, posters, and whatnot, makes one earn every time an individual orders something bearing one's design on it. What's better? You do not have to worry about the inventory or shipping. The print-on-demand company will take care of all this for you. All you have to do is make the designs and upload them to your store, and get paid whenever someone buys them. With the efficiency of Canva AI, you can create a wide variety of products from apparel to home decor items and increase the chances of striking the jackpot. Overcoming challenges. Okay, we've discussed all these ways you could make money with Canva AI, but let's be real for a second. Every business venture has its challenges, and this isn't the exception. The competition, it's tough. I mean, you're up against so many other creators, so how do you stand out? Don't try to do everything first. Narrow your focus, either by catering to a particular industry or aesthetic, and focus on a niche. That's where you carve out your own space in the market. Consistency is the second one. Canva AI makes it easy to create content. You still have to put in the work. Set aside time each day or week to focus on your design business. Consistency is key when it comes to building a brand and growing an audience. Keep on learning. As much as you're keeping up to date with what is new with Canva AI, your designs are bound to become the best ever. Experiment with them, try all the different tools, and never be scared of stepping outside of your comfort zone. Final thoughts. Canva AI is changing the game, and if you are not already using it to make money, then you are missing out. Whether you want to create stunning designs for clients, start a side hustle with digital products, or dive into the world of print on demand, Canva AI gives you the tools you need to succeed. The best part? You don't have to be a pro to get started. It only takes a little creativity and a little effort to start making money right away. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in, find the endless possibilities, and start building your future with Canva AI today. If you are excited to start making money with Canva AI, like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me how you plan to use Canva AI to boost your income. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money online and growing your side hustle.